So I'm bringing this special video for you all. How to use this as a very simple strategy. Many have been using indicators for trading, simple moving average, exponential moving average, and MACD, change of trends, super indicator. What is that? Super indicator, whatever, RSI, overbought, oversold. Best is price action, but I have a simple indicator which works closest to price action. Okay, I'm mentioning again, it works closest to price action. Now, do not get confused, but yes, as a beginner, this is a very simple tool for you all, which you can use for your training purpose. Understand the concept of this, and then you may start. The tool is these two. One is the fractal, one is the Ichimoku. Now, what are the settings? I do not need conversion base. Therefore, they have their own methodologies. I only need this leading span A and B. Okay, right? What do I need? These two. Okay, and I need the fractal indicator. I do not need this. I need these two lines, top level. You may not need the shapes, right? Let me just give this now. It is a very simple tool. Time frame best is daily time frame. Now, what is the color of the indicator here of the cloud here? We'll start from this because from blue it became red, correct? So this was the change of the trend, right? Means here if you see price crossed, came below, and ever since then this cloud has been only red, which indicate the sell. Now you will be confused where to sell. Very simple. Below this red line, you just sell and trail your stop loss. See here your stop loss got hit. We remove these two lines. Understand the concept first. Don't try to analyze whether it works and all that. Below this is, you can say it as a support line. You sell here, then came down here. Once this line broke, your stop loss actually got hit. However, yes, the price didn't close, so you can, if you want, you can still hold it. However, again, this stop loss got hit. It is okay. You still made a profit from here till here. In fact, there's a break. You could have added one more and trail your stop loss. Right? Now, you can even probably would have changed your time frame here. Let's go to 15 minutes of 1 hour time frame, 6th of August. To understand, let's go to 6th of August. 6th of August. Here, you see what happened? There was a break. Now, in a shorter time frame, the stop loss got hit, right? Price, in fact, went above this cloud but did not close. Normally, you would have to probably, so moment stop loss hit. So it is good you hit because see, price went above this, right? Then what happened? It came below the low cloud. Another thing is, remember, whenever the price is within the cloud, here, do not take any interest. It's a no trade zone. Here now, of course, if you notice, cloud has become blue. That's the reason if you see price also has went up. Now, if the price would have crossed this line, we would have got loss. But price did not cross the loss, right? But here it has crossed. So we could have gone buy provided this cloud is in green, right? But remember, in the daily time frame, higher time frame, cloud is red. So do we go longs? The success rate will come down, right? That is exactly what happened. It came down. But here, if you see good breakout, right? You can think this is a support and whatever you can call it as, but this was a good trade, and your stop loss was you're trading your stop loss here, and here your stop loss got hit, correct? But your profit could have been better. But since the cloud is in red, correct? Cloud is in red after when? 6th of August, or rather, correct? From here, or 25th of August. So let us go back to hourly time frame. Let us go to 6th of August once again. Correct. Now, here in between, there is a possibility of going by, but till here, I think it is almost gone. Post this red only, right? We would have had only red. See here, because it's inside the cloud, but just below the cloud, we could have shorted and then trailed our stop losses, right? Price kept breaking. Whenever price breaks this below line, we sell and trail a stop loss. Sell here, but the stop loss got hit. No, did not get hit. No, it just touched and did not closed, right? But what I have observed is works well on the 4-hour and daily time frame. Okay, take example here. Break, price came below the cloud. Here we take a sell. We would have made a solid how much? 40.7%. Correct. Here, do we go long here? But because yes, we can because cloud is blue. Na? Here we take a buy, right? We're going long here. How much gains? Almost 20%, right? Your stop loss is where is the stop loss? This low, correct? You would have either booked or waited for your stop loss to get till here, right? But maybe if you have trained your time frame, you would have found that the stop loss would have hit somewhere here itself, correct? So that is the reason price action is the best bet. This will at least help you to be in the right trades to large extent. You can check this in BTC because this is 24/7. You can backtest it. It's very easy. Concept is simple. Price below, cloud is red, and especially if cloud is tinting down, that means it is huge bearishness. Correct? Cloud is blue and it is tilting up. It is bullishness. But you don't see this kind of a this is high bearish, whereas we see slight bullish, correct? Right? So now, if you have understood this concept, please backtest this strategy or this indicators and see how you can utilize this effectively, at least to analyze the market. If not for trading, you can learn to analyze the market with this strategy. All right. If you have liked this, please, or if you have any questions, please put your questions here in the uh, what do you say? Uh, please do put in the questions in your chat box. We'll try and see how we can answer it for you. And the more likes we get, we will try and share more strategies like this. So If you look at Reliance actually I was mentioning earlier also, it is the bullish trend. If you see here, price is above the cloud. So what will I look at? I will look for longs here, where when it breaks this line, right? Now tomorrow I will again look for buy because cloud is blue. Maybe you can change the time frame. If the price crosses this blue green line, then we may look for longs. Okay. Same with HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, it is cloud is blue and the price is above the blue line. So we may look for buy above this level and then trail your stop losses with this levels, which will come eventually as price moves up, right? Else, current stop loss is here. Okay. Yes, your stop loss sometimes can be big. Maybe you can go for a more shorter time frame, 5 minutes, but then basis this cloud. But I do not recommend going to a shorter time frame. Use shorter time frame maybe for entries and trading your stop loss. But look for what is the cloud indicating. Is it bullish, bearish? And then accordingly trade. All right. So when we see gold, for me, gold I was mentioning in the group as sell. Now people will say it is above the cloud. How did you say? So that's another way of analyzing. That is my method of analyzing the market because when you're a pure price action trader, you don't need this indicator. So best indicator, you know which one? Price action. Okay. All right, friends. Thank you. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Please share more people so that they also get benefited by this indicators. And do let me know if you need more videos like this and what is that strategy you use. Please do share your strategy. Maybe if I like the strategy, we will put it in our YouTube channel or you can post a video and we'll upload it for you. Thank you. Good night.